It's very impressive how automated the manufacturing here is. I think the part where the parts from the automated vehicles come to the production line and how it works is very cool. It's really good organized assembly line, yes. The workers work together with the machines around them.
Everything's on time, everything's punctual, and the factory here is for me kind of like surprising. I'm really impressed that you are able to finish so many cars, and it's like 1 car per minute is with the standards you have here, and everything seems to fit together, and that's really impressive. That's a thing that would be not imaginable in Germany to read.
I'm very surprised in this outer area plant that it is very organized, very clean, and people are all very young, and they get the chance to work on something special. We drove an electronic bus, and it was very fast, and we liked it a lot. It was very modern, and the equipment was all very nice. The leather was so nice, and it was really easy to steer.
I drove the bus today in the morning. It was a good feeling. It was kind of a comfortable vehicle. It was a smooth driving. Yeah, the acceleration was pretty exciting, to be honest. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. They are great. The distances they can reach are great. This is totally perfect. They have kind of the potential to build a new era of transportation, public transportation. I think this is a great place for young people to bring their knowledge into practical things. They bring new ideas, they are innovative. It's a great area for new people to build up something really great and really futuristic and innovative.
I believe they should definitely come here because it seems like a very good place to start a business.
It's very open, and there is a lot of space for young people to develop.
Innovative it is.
It's most futuristic.
Amazing.